Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to validate mobile phone numbers, data in bulk, using allstateslookup.com. First of you, need to log into your account by going to Login page. Once you logged in, you can see different tools. As we need to validate phone numbers in bulk, so I am going to click on Validation feature from Dashboard. On this page, you need to select the state you want to validate numbers from and the type of phone, either it is a mobile or landline or any other type. Then you have to paste your list here in this box. In case you have mixed data, then you can go to State Filter feature from Dashboard. It will help you in sorting data by state. So as we pasted our data in the box, now we need to click on Validate button. Bingo! Results are being fetched, and it will only show you active and selected type phone numbers. As for now, we selected mobile numbers. So, it will show only mobile numbers here. This is how you can validate bulk numbers in few clicks without any API credit.